Science fiction movies have been around since the early 20th century, starting with films like A Trip to the Moon. Later in the century, the world saw the rise of iconic sci-fi classics such as Blade Runner, Star Wars, and in 2001, A Space Odyssey. However, science fiction was often considered a genre for adults, usually focusing on darker and more mature themes. In that context, the 1982 film E.T. the Extra-Terrestrial revolutionized the sci-fi genre by making it more family-friendly. People often refer to this movie simply as E.T. The movie E.T. tells a story of an alien left behind on Earth and a group of friends who try to help him find his way home. At the time, aliens were often portrayed as mysterious invaders, posing a threat to human life. That's where this film broke the mold. Director Steven Spielberg humanized the alien, not through its physical appearance, but through its emotions and actions. The humanized portrayal of an alien was warmly received by audiences, and E.T. went on to become the highest grossing film of all time. And let me clarify, not just the highest grossing sci-fi film, but the highest grossing film of all time, across all genres up to that point. E.T. doesn't just focus on the sci-fi aspect, it also explores themes of alienation, friendship, companionship, and love. The film's portrayal of childhood and the struggles of a single-parent household made the story universally relatable. And it wasn't just a story that was revolutionary, the film also broke new ground on storytelling techniques. The special effects in E.T. were groundbreaking at the time, particularly the movements of the alien figure. Not only were its body movements incredibly lifelike, but its expressions felt real too, making the alien even more relatable. What makes this film a timeless classic is its continuing relevance in the modern era. Films and series are still being made, drawing inspiration from it. Take the 2003 Indian film Koi Mil Gya. It can be seen as an inspired by E.T. I often believe that the popular series Stranger Things was influenced by E.T. The character 11 from Stranger Things, with her superpowers, feels similar to the alien from E.T. In both the film and the series, it's the children who step up to help and protect them. Various films have also incorporated shots inspired by E.T., and one of my recent favorites is from the 2021 Indian sci-fi film Churoli. The important scene in the film where the jeep flies with the moon in the background looks visually inspired by the iconic cycling scene in E.T., where a bike soars through the air with the moon as its backdrop. Their character Wally from the movie Wall-E often feels like another version of E.T., both in its characterization and style. Overall, in the history of cinema, E.T. stands as a timeless classic that changed how we perceived aliens, storytelling, and the sci-fi genre itself. So what's your opinion on the film E.T.? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this content, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more, and don't forget to press that bell icon below to get the latest notifications of our videos.